Hi everyone, welcome back to How To Guide. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Instagram account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into your Instagram account, you can simply tap open your Instagram application or just go to the web browser. Type in instagram.com and search. This is the official website of Instagram. To log in, tap on the login button, or you can sign up for a new Instagram account if you don't have an account yet by tapping on sign up with email or phone number. Tapping on login will take you to a next page where you can continue logging in with your Facebook account. To do so, tap on Continue with Facebook. To log in using your phone number, your username or your email address and password, enter your credentials in the box. On the next field, enter your password, and after you're done, tap on the login button. In case you forgot the password, you can reset to a new password by clicking on Forgot Password link provided right below the password box. Tap on the login button and you have logged into your Instagram account. That is how you can log into your Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.